Okay, good morning Philippines. Hello world, this is Mimi live in Montreal. So, I'm doing live. I'm doing a video because my video and the other time is not good. So this one is good. So I just finished my work and then look at this. Outside, a lot of snow. It's my first time walking outside this situation. I'm so sorry for everybody that I am speaking English because I have a lot of subscribers. Oh my god, my hands is frozen. I have a lot of subscribers. English. Don't understand if I speak Bisaya or Tagalog. So I try my best. Very, very, very best. Wow. It's not good to go outside. This is very dangerous. Yeah. Look at this. My hands is frozen. I don't wear gloves. The other one. Look at this. I'm going home. I finished my work, but look at this. I need to go out, of course. I need to go home, but it's not advisable. It's not advisable. It's not advisable to go out in this situation. It's covered really snow. Have to be very, very careful. My life is almost finished because my hands is very painful. Oh my god. Yeah. Look at that place. Sometimes you have to think, oh, it's very, very cold. And this, I only see this before in the movie. Now I experience it. Look at that. Whew. Wow. Oh my god, look at my hands. My hands is really red. I'm just walking because I'm not so far. Wow. Wow. It's okay if you will go out like this if your hands is covered with gloves. But I don't have gloves. Look at my hands now. It's red. So oh my god. I'm almost home. Yeah, I'm almost home. Look at that. Wow, it's dangerous lah. Going home. Wow. Thanks God, I'm home. Whew. Wow, hopefully it's good. It's working. Look at that. Okay. Thank you for watching this.